Beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope your weekend was awesome. Zillow is hiring a couple of positions right now that are open, and these are fully remote roles. We're going to be diving right in. Before we do that, if you're watching me for the first time, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join this amazing growing family. And for those that have been here, really appreciate each and every one of you. Please continue to watch and continue to share with your friends and families, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and remember to always have your notification bell turned on so you're notified real time whenever I post new job leads. So in today's video, we are going to be focusing on Zillow. They are hiring right now, and they have these 3 positions open that I wanted to bring them to you guys today. The first one is this one titled Associate Manager Customer Success, and it is in the area of, or the department that showcases buildings, showcases apartments, showcases houses. Okay, so this team, they focus on showcase of homes, and they are looking for an associate manager to help them focus on customer success. So that's what this team focus really is. And as you can see on here, it does say the associate manager of customer success at listing showcase is accountable for overseeing all initiatives involving deploying new customers to listing showcase. Strong leadership abilities are necessary for this role, particularly in guiding and motivating a team of customer success managers to ensure that each implementation is exceptional and achieves success. So that's really what the position is. Like I talked about before, you are going to be managing those individuals to ensure that the customers are happy, to make sure that from start to finish, whomever is interested in listing their homes, that process is seamless. You're going to be working with other internal departments to ensure that any type of collaboration between teams that needs to happen. This individual, for example, will likely be collaborating with teams that focus on renting services, for example, because they work hand in hand together. They list the properties, and then the folks that are actually going to have consumers explore those properties, whether I want to buy or is for renting, they would be definitely a team to want to collaborate with. In addition to that, being able to provide updates to upper leadership is also in scope for this role. So it talks about also serving as an escalation point for your staff. So if a customer calls through the line and they are extremely upset, you are definitely on a standby to ensure that you're able to quench that fire or able to rescue whatever is situation that is being escalated to you. Because at the time it's being escalated, oftentimes the customer is already frustrated, or in some cases there has been a lot of heated arguments, and you want to really be in the right frame of mind to be ready to take that call and be able to quench and calm the customer down so as to achieve the best of results. With this position, the salary is between $74,000 and $119,000 per year. Again, $74,000 to $119,000 per year. That is the salary range. All right, and the requirements for this, they are looking for 4-year degrees, so they want you to have a bachelor's degree or equivalent experience. If you don't have the 4-year degree, they are really not emphasizing the 4-year. They even have on here 4-year degree or equivalent experience, which is preferred. The real estate knowledge is preferred, but it's not required. They also talk about being adaptable, someone with strong analytical skill set, someone who has flexibility in scheduling to meet customer needs with short turnaround time, someone who is able to demonstrate proficiency with complex technology. So meaning that someone who is really able to do a whole lot, like navigate computers, someone who is technology inclined, someone who knows the computer and is able to navigate different software in the computer. So that's what they're looking for. That's the first position. And then the second position I wanted to share is the senior customer success role. This individual is really going to be reporting to the associate manager. So senior customer success manager showcase. This individual will be reporting to the one I just talked about, which is the associate manager. With this position, the expectation is to, work with customers, build immediate rapport, help them navigate any type of issues or concerns they may have, and in cases where you are not able to help, escalating to the associate manager to help resolve those challenging issues. The salary for this position is between $34 to $55 per hour is the salary range. What are they looking for? They're looking for 4-year degree or equivalent. So very similar to the associate manager role. The only difference between both is that this one is asking for a number of years of experience in client-facing position. They want to make sure you have experience working with customers, resolving their issues, and that is important because without that type of experience, it can be a big challenge navigating a difficult customer on the phone. So it's really essential to have that. But should you not have it, you can start kind of working towards that to make sure that that is something that you acquire over time. They also talk about project management skill set, but that is more of a plus. And then they talk about the knowledge of the real estate industry, someone who is able to demonstrate organizational as well as time management skills. So these are primarily soft but also hard skills as well. So it's really essential to make sure that you have those skill sets. So that is the second one. And then the last one that I have is this one right here, which is titled Revenue Strategy as well as Business Operations Manager. So this is more like a 2-in-1 type of role because you're going to be focusing on the business operations of things and at the same time really focusing on the revenue strategy as well, which will give you more coding time, then enable you to embrace the business side as well. So in addition to just coding and leaving things alone, but this particular position will avail the opportunity to customers to make sure that any type of issues they may have get resolved. Revenue strategy, you're focusing on bringing revenue in. What are ways to increase revenue, and then what are the ways to then take that process and implement it within the business operations. So it is really a 2-part deal in my opinion. So with this position, let's talk a little bit more, right? So they're talking about, you say about the role as a strategy and business operator, you will leverage your strong strategic background and deep data analysis experience to conduct deep analysis on large data sets, market research to uncover insights that drive growth. Basically, you are going to help to grow the business like we talked about before. And then it did say further to say design and execute advanced package pricing strategy and business models to maximize revenue from agent advertising as well as software products. Lead high impact, high visibility initiatives using data-driven insights to guide strategic planning and identify new business opportunities. So this position is a remote position like we talked about before, and it's a full-time position, and it's going to pay over 6 figures, so $123,000 to $196,000 per year. That is the salary range, and this position is open and currently accepting application. So that's really it for this video. I hope you guys find these leads helpful. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. Till next time, I wish you guys all the very best of luck, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care guys. Bye bye.